How to animate my photo to sing a song in Meta AI.
Wow, she sings so well, don't you think? Hello and welcome to this absolutely learning amazing space. Today, we're gonna make your still photo start singing out of nowhere with zero effort on your part.
The way you move, it sets me free, lost in the rhythm, just you and me. Oh, I'm sorry I got a little emotional, this wasn't in the script. Now I'll get back to what's important.
Want to find out how to animate your photo to sing a song in Meta AI? Let's dive in. Make sure to stay tuned until the very end of the video, where you'll get to see me performing live with my band on stage. What do you need to see a video of yourself performing your favorite song? To get started, all that's required is a photograph, a basic picture of yourself that will act as the foundation for creating the musical video clip. You can use any picture where your lips are easily seen. It isn't strictly necessary for it to be a straight-on portrait. Meta allows you to refine your image prior to adding a soundtrack and beginning the performance. For instance, I can prompt Meta to include a microphone and transform the background into a stage, complete with my band members behind me. I start a fresh chat, upload the image, and enter. Display a close-up of me on a stage, holding a microphone, with my band performing behind me as if it were a live show. Fantastic. Now, we are going to transform this picture into a breathtaking animation with Meta AI to reveal my singing prowess. You won't believe how amazing the final result is going to be. Meta selects a track automatically, but you can always browse and pick your own favorite by tapping it. For this one, I'm selecting Honeybee by Olivia Rodrigo. Select the Generate button. While Meta allows you to choose a particular part of the song for the photo to perform, I'll be using the default segment since I trust its recommendation. Tap at the top to create the video and demonstrate our singing skills. Pretty impressive, right? To comply with YouTube's copyright rules, I'll only play a brief snippet of the audio, though you can enjoy the full version on your own.
Baby boy, honeybee.
If you're happy with the result, use the option above to post it directly to your Meta AI feed or share the clip on your social media profiles. Now that we have the singing video, we can explore various customization features like extending the duration, swapping the soundtrack, adding a voiceover, or layering in visual effects. Let's dive into the details. The Edit feature allows us to modify any detail within the video. To demonstrate, I'll request a black t-shirt for her. Press Generate, and the updated version will be ready in just a few moments. We also have the flexibility to lengthen the clip, swap out the soundtrack, or add various effects. By clicking here, you can explore several options. For instance, let's see how this sparkle effect looks. It looks quite good. To further customize your creation, you can use Restyling to completely overhaul the video's overall aesthetic. You can modify elements like clothing, scenery, lighting, or even apply a weird filter. For example, exploring the Locations category offers numerous presets: celestial, private jet, jungle. I'll pick the Clouds Restyle to see how the final look of the clip changes. The idea of performing high above in the clouds must be truly thrilling.
Love the way you look at me.
Next, let's examine the Meta Lip Sync model, which represents the most critical component of this process following the music. For example, let's take one of the videos where we are singing and add a voice to it. First, click the lip sync icon. You will notice the text option appear in the top right corner. Select that option to open a field where you can enter the text you want converted into speech. I want to use this to share a message. Don't forget subscribe to this channel, please. Finally, just hit the Generate Video button to see the outcome.
Don't forget subscribe to this channel, please.
I think it turned out really well. By the way, you can also give it a like. It's free and really helps us out. To conclude, I have one last surprise to share. My process began by choosing an initial image, which I then modified to create a second version. From there, I utilized a prompt to shift the setting from a studio into a stage. While I am aware the final outcome is not real, I find the results truly exciting.
Look at the sky, we own this moment now, forever loud. Prepare to have your minds blown. Wait until you see and hear yourselves.
I wanna hear my photo. I wanna see myself singing. I wanna hear my photo. I wanna see myself singing. I wanna hear my photo. I wanna see myself singing.